What is a strike in theater? You're on the last couple shows of your run, and someone says, "Don't forget, Saturday night we strike." Now, before we all get our newsboys' costumes on and prepare to sing and dance and strike, that's not what they mean. The strike is simply the ending of a show at a venue. It is the deconstruction of all the sets. The costumes and props are packed away and removed from the space. The lights and sound are returned to their natural state that they were in before your show arrived. Basically, a strike means to return the theater to its regular, unadorned, clean, ready for the next show to move into space. Now, depending on the theater company you're with, if it's amateur or professional, with the rules and the union and all of that, sometimes casts help with the strike, sometimes it is simply just the crew. So find out what's required of you for strike night, and then help out as best you can. If you're interested in more theater terminology, you can check out the playlist here. Every week I do advice videos and theater choreography, so if you'd like to join the community, feel free to throw a like and subscribe. I would love to have you. Otherwise, I will see you later for more terms. Bye.